Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Whimsical if it's not working in 2026. Whether the website won't load, won't sign in, or features aren't responding, these quick fixes usually solve the problem. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. A weak or disconnected network can prevent Whimsical from loading properly. Next, refresh the page or completely close your browser and open Whimsical again. Yeah, sometimes a simple restart is all it takes. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Then sign back into your account and see if the problem is resolved. You can also try opening Whimsical in a different browser or use an incognito or private window. You know, browser extensions can sometimes interfere with websites. If you're still having trouble, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version and disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions temporarily to test if they're causing the issue. Finally, if nothing works, check whether Whimsical is experiencing a temporary service outage or contact their support team for additional help, and that's it. Those are the best ways to fix Whimsical when it's not working. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.